a cold dark home. Not just alone, but abruptly abandoned one. No one surrenders a thought to remember. I sleep night and night, rather in the morning in lieu of time.
What the judges have to say.
Thank you.
Hi, Jordan.
I think as an artist, I really felt every single word you said, and I completely connected to your performance. I thought, to me, that was the best thing that's happened all night. I think when you pour your heart and soul out into something, you can really see what that is. And you really connected to the words you were saying. And I don't know your song, it's your original song, but I would listen to it every day. I'm not even kidding. That was the best for me personally. But I really enjoyed the overall performance. And I think it's still really good.
Hi, Jordan. So tell us a little bit about who you are as an artist and who your influences are.
Honestly, the last 2 years, I haven't really listened to a lot of music. I've just been like doing so much at my own. My biggest influences right now are whoever comes out to karaoke. They pretty much get me out here, and it's gotten me here. Who I am as an artist, I'd like to make songs that aren't just catchy, but that people can connect to or relate and find themselves in some way. So that's really like my goal with this song too. That's really who I am as an artist.
I really like the song. I think the song was catchy. If you hadn't told me that it was an original song, I would have thought it was a cover of something else. So I think that's a really good testament to how good a songwriter you are. The only negative that I have is that I'm not the wall, so I don't want you to sing to the wall for 16 straight weeks. You're going to have to connect with the audience. So I really want you to sort of, even if you have to lose the guitar, to really do something to connect with the people out here rather than just to the song.
That was just a matter of like the feedback and where you had to present.
Totally get it.
That was definitely like, beautiful, and I don't know, I think I climaxed at some point during the song. But I don't know if it was the music or the beard, but something in between. I don't know. No, but really, like he said, like it could have been a cover. Like I didn't know. Like I thought that was a very original, very beautiful, uplifting. But like, yeah, definitely give us a show a little bit. You know, connect with us. We're here too. You know. But all in all, I think you're gonna go pretty far in this competition as long as you kind of like pep it up. Thanks.
Hey Jordan, that was rad. I really appreciated the sort of originality. I mean, if anything, what I came away with it was these note runs you did, where easily showed off the pipes that you obviously got. So it did kind of take me to that like sad bastard like coffee house like woe is me kind of place, which is fine like once in a while. But I don't want you to be like Debbie Downer like the whole competition. But like, you know, if you could take that like that really powerful voice that I've heard in this song and take it to a place that's like a joyful, like excited place, like I can't wait to hear that. So please do that.
I agree.
Next up,